Yo! We're back on the channel here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance. Well, it's been a long day. I got a lot accomplished. So, I'm gonna get right to it. We got the motor and trans bolted up, the K-member together. Sitting under the car right now. Gonna lift it up into place. And we're gonna be using motorsports 1/2-inch K-member spacers. Goes in between the K-member and the frame. But it's coming together, looking pretty sweet. We got the Boss intake off. That got some sweet special touches. Got a little homemade port job that I did. Also ported the throttle body a little bit. Did little custom touches. We also ported the inside. Don't know if you can really see it, but there ain't no fins in there. Had to take that off to lift the engine up. Took the intake off. So soon we're gonna have the motor up in there, bolted up with the K-member and the trans all in. And it's coming along. Computer mounted up in there. So there you have it. I want to give you a little update of what we've been up to here in the garage. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep on watching it. Hope you guys like it. Till the next episode. Peace.